You might
Uh,
like this one.
is that a $50,000 suspension in action?
Yeah, correct.
Lovely. Oh, that's so cool. It's
Oh,
amazing.
wow.
Yeah, I know. The truck itself barely moving. It reminds me of that bird that has the suspension in the neck. Have you ever seen that before?
Like a hummingbird?
No, it's a type, maybe
Chickens do
an
that,
owl
too.
or a falcon or something.
Oh, okay.
I can't remember, but it's insanely stable and adjusting for bumps. And this is the human engineering equivalent of it.
You could sleep in there.
The pace at which this truck is going over uneven terrain is just amazing. This is one of those Baja.
Wow.
This is one of those Baja situations.
Yeah,
Trophy truck.
Wow, this is incredible.
that's fun.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't got to worry about potholes in that one.
No.
No.
You don't feel these
Or
things.
feeling them, yeah.
You don't feel these things. You wouldn't even feel if you ran over somebody.
No.
No, you probably feel that.
50 grand.
That's mostly sand that's going on over there, but
That's true.
that's a cool truck, no doubt.